Hello guys, welcome back to my videos. Today I'm challenging myself with the LeetCode questions, create a data frame from lists. So during I perform the codings, I will not speak too much, so you guys just enjoy my ASMR codings. After done, I will make some explanations to you. So guys, let us write the code. The output shown in the LeetCode, there is no index at the left side. I think I will try to remove it. Use Yeah, now the index at the left side have been removed. So this df.toString and index equals to false mentions that I have state the false to the index, so the index at the left side will be disappear. So now I will paste my codings into the LeetCode to check my result. Yeah, accepted. But actually these questions is mentioned like we have the this Python list of the student ID and also the ages. So by passing this list into the PD data frame along with the columns, so the pandas will structures our raw data into the clean and also the two dimensions table like this. Yeah, this is the two-dimensional tables. Then I try to submit. But this runtime and memory is still not really good. I think I will try to improve it. Yeah, accepted. Then we try to submit again. Is it the runtime and memory have been improved? Yeah, the solution accepted and the runtime and memory has been improved. So this is the end for my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and also share it to your friends. This code I also will push into the GitHub so you guys can download it at the descriptions or the comment box. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye. You just gotta be fearless.